Yes, it is me again. All right, digital marketing roadmap. This is where we start to get into the nitty gritty of the stuff that happens when you spend the money, the phone rings, and kind of everything that leads up to that behind that phone call. Whether that's a web form being filled out or whether that's a phone call that's being booked through, a yellow pad or whatever system you've got. That's what's happening right now in your business. This is a digital roadmap, but we talk about developing a complete online strategy. We talk about from going from point A to point B. What does that mean? Well, right now, wherever you're at in your business, that's point A. This roadmap is to get you to point B. What is that? Well, that's where you're looking at your business dramatically different than you are now. This framework that we're going to go through is going to help with that. Finally, the framework I just mentioned a moment ago is we're going to talk about finding baseline. Where you were last year, what were those core numbers? What were your core KPIs, key performance indicators? Remember, this is just the marketing side. Leads, appointment set, appointment ran. Why are those two different numbers? Well, because you can set an appointment in 1 month and not run it till the next. What's your closing percentage? How much did you schedule or install that month? And there's actually another 5 beyond that. We'll get into all this stuff, but that's what this step is all about. And finally, creating your marketing systems, whether that's enhancing the existing system that you have now or creating your own marketing system. These are the details that we go through, and that's what the digital roadmap is all about.